everyone to Pratham Prayash Project Showcase, a revolution in feminine hygiene and environmental responsibility. In just 2 minutes, we will take you on a journey that's changed lives and our planet for the better.
So, this is our problem statement. Let's get started.
Did you know that in India, around 336 million girls and women uses staging 1 billion sanitary napkins every month? That's a massive 12.3 billion sanitary napkins annually. This massive waste creates a host of problems for hygiene, concern to environmental damage. But this hope, introducing the Pratham Prayash Sanitary Napkin Disposal Machine, the game changer we have all been waiting for. This multifunctional wonder is designed to dispose of menstrual waste in a cost-effective, easy, and environmental-friendly way, ensuring a cleaner and brighter future for all. But that's not all. We have gone a step further to ensure sustainability, affordability, and community-based production. So let's break it down with our basic diagram. Meet the pink box. Your sanitary napkins first stop its work as a garbage collector, safely storing used pads. Next is orange box. Your pad reach this stage, it's dried and ready for disposal. Next is red box. In this stage, the pad is fully disposed of through burning and turning into ash. The last one is black box. The ash is then stored here and collected later for safe disposal. Our Pratham Prayash Sanitary Napkin Disposal Machine is the answer to a cleaner future. It's combined convenience with eco-friendliness, empowering women and promoting cleaner waste management. Our commitment to innovation and sustainability drive us forward, and we are excited about the positive impact this project will have on women's lives and our planet. Sustainability meets convenience. With your support, your napkin can become a force for change. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward a cleaner and brighter future. Together we can make a difference. Join the Pratham Prayash movement today. It's time to make a change.